Can I have some water, please? ขอน้ำหน่อยได้ไหมครับ Looking at the tones like that surprises you, right? ขอ first word, ขอ with the rising tone. So you go down and then you come up. ขอ น้ำ high tone. น้ำ so we have ขอ น้ำ หน่อย low tone right after the high tone. That's always kind of fun to say those. ขอ น้ำ หน่อย ขอ น้ำ หน่อย ได้ falling, ไหม rising. And remember, ได้ไหม although I have them separated here, and they are indeed two different words, they are used often as one word and with their own special meaning. And then, of course, you're going to want to end this sentence because you're asking somebody for something and you really want some water. You want to end with the polite particle. So, kap if you're a guy and ka if you're a female. Now, this is a question. So, women, females, have the option on ka to either say ka, falling tone, or if it's a question, they can also do this. Ka ขอน้ำหน่อยได้ไหมคะ That works. Just as does ขอน้ำหน่อยได้ไหมคะ That works for females, both of those. And if you're a guy, ขอน้ำหน่อยได้ไหมครับ
ขอน้ำหน่อยได้ไหม ขอน้ำหน่อยได้ไหม ขอน้ำหน่อยได้ไหม
ขอน้ำหน่อยได้ไหม ขอน้ำหน่อยได้ไหม ขอน้ำหน่อยได้ไหม
ขอ น้ำ หน่อย ได้ ไหม ขอน้ำ หน่อย ได้ไหม ขอน้ำหน่อยได้ไหม
Now, I'm sure you noticed that I said krap, and I had krap, and I had ka written, but Kun Daisy, Kun Bla, and Kun Sidam didn't say krap or ka. That's because I instructed them not to. Even though you and I as farangs really ought to use them after almost just about every sentence, I felt that it would be tedious to go through that same bit of the lesson after every single lesson. So, I'm telling you, and I'm going to say the word always, but I don't mean always, but I mean darn near always. Always end your sentences with krap or ka, because that's polite. And especially if you're asking questions, I just didn't want to have to go through this every single lesson. So I've left it off. But it's a habit that you really ought to cultivate. You will sound more intelligent. You will sound more fluent. You will sound more polite. And people will like you more and appreciate you more. And doors will open for you if you use krap and if you use ka. So it's just a decision I made early in the whole process of writing these lessons was do I put krap on the end of every sentence, and do I put ka on the end of every sentence, and then do I explain that you don't have to use it every single time, or do I put the meat of the lessons in there and then tell you should really cultivate the habit of ending your sentences with krap and just remind you about every 5th or 12th lesson, which is what I decided to do. So, please, use the word krap and use the word ka and use them liberally, okay? You just about can't overdo it. And guys, women, I don't know what it is, but if you're a single guy and you're using the word krap when you're talking to young single ladies, I guess even older single ladies, saying krap, it warms their hearts. And you throw in an occasional ครับผมครับผม and I don't know why that does it, but it melts them, guys. So use it sparingly. You can put too much sugar in a cake, butครับผม secret weapon. So, can I have some water, please? ขอน้ำหน่อยได้ไหมครับ Looking at this word by word. ขอ to request and to ask for. This is also, you probably remember, ขอโทษ forgive me or excuse me, right? ขอ, that's the first half of that. ขอ means to request or to ask for. Here we're asking for water. ขอโทษ means I'm asking for penance or I'm asking for the blame. Excuse me. Oh, my fault is what you're saying. But here we're going ขอน้ำ high tone is water, so I'm asking for water. ขอน้ำหน่อย low tone is a real interesting word. It means a little bit, but it's also a polite particle. It's a polite word and it softens a command. So if you say ขอน้ำ, it's really kind of rude and you're kind of saying, hey, give me some water. Well, you don't want to do that. That's impolite. So you'd want to say ขอน้ำหน่อย. You're softening it by using the word หน่อย. It has kind of the overtone of please or a little bit, and it just makes the sentence softer. It's the only thing I can tell you. It makes it soft and makes it kind and lets them know you're not being rude. So ขอน้ำหน่อยได้ไหม ได้, is can, and ไหม makes it a question. And ได้ไหม together means are you able or can you. So ขอน้ำหน่อยได้ไหม can I request some water? Are you able to give it to me, please?
ขอน้ำหน่อยได้ไหม ขอน้ำหน่อยได้ไหม ขอน้ำหน่อยได้ไหม
ขอน้ำหน่อยได้ไหม ขอน้ำหน่อยได้ไหม ขอน้ำหน่อยได้ไหม
ขอน้ำหน่อยได้ไหม ขอน้ำหน่อยได้ไหม ขอน้ำหน่อยได้ไหม
Little bit of ear training there for you. Now that you've heard it and heard it without captions, let's look at the captions again and check the tones out as Kun Bla here says it for you.
ขอน้ำหน่อยได้ไหม ขอน้ำหน่อยได้ไหม ขอน้ำหน่อยได้ไหม
ขอน้ำหน่อยได้ไหม There it is. Can I have some water, please? The lesson you just learned is one small part of a complete lesson, and you can get a lot of free freebies at my site, TheThaiLanguage.com. TheThaiLanguage.com.